3. Okay. So, who is approving the dispensation of the reading? At 2024, May 2nd, 2024, last year. So, kay kalawig, no? So, it is all there in our records. So, sino nag-approve na hindi na pag i-dispense na ang reading?
Okay.
Please take note, Ms. Secretary. 3, 4, 5. Ang iba niya hindi, yeah. Those who are here are qualified to vote. Everybody is
Majority.
Majority. Okay. I would like to make our reports. Formal power development. As of December 31, the end of 2024, we had 208 working members. And last January 31, 2025, we had 209. As of February 28, 2025, we had 2016. But by April 1, 2025, because of the termination of SYL contract with JobSpeed for 14 merchandisers and coordinators, we will be reduced to 202 members. So, our current projects are the gift check program, balong tanan sina. Okay. The computerization of our accounting system to fast track sang recording kag accurate ang atong accounting system. Dali na lang magid na siya matapos kay kadamo sang encoding ng mga details. And the reassignment of special assignments of officers. So, ang atong mga BOD officers, may special pagid no, on top of their positions, may mga special sila nga mga trabaho. And we are very happy to know nga everybody is contributing. Diyo tayo mo, so kita man ang gaobra, no? Kasi unigani ko, Ton. Okay, so the success, no? And the failure of the JobSpeed depends on us all, each one of us. So, salamat, and I would like to continue makontinue gid ang atong commitment, like our dream, commitment and resilience in the midst of challenges. Damo kita challenges since 2 years ago, but we thrive on and we continue to survive. And we praise God for that. Salamat din.